But we gonna talk about that, man. What's up, man? My boy Otto right here.
You already know.
Man, let him know what's up, bro.
Hey. Shout out my boy Riley on the films, you know what I'm saying?
What up?
My bro out here just working on his ball.
Yo,
Florida living.
Carolina boys,
You know what I'm saying?
Florida life.
Been trail with it. Watch out for the snakes in the grass, man. They out here like, I'm telling you. Watch out for the snakes in the grass. Some of them is even beside you. You know what I'm saying? Outside, in the yard, just watching you go by every day. They ain't saying shit. And one day, they gonna bite. So we hope your ass paying attention. Nah, man. Actually, I have a beautiful daughter by the name of Bria Taylor. You know, she's very talented. I don't speak of her as much as with my son because he's just he's in the industry. You know what I'm saying? He raps too, so it's more like with her. I don't know what she's gonna do. She's gonna do something spectacular. She might be the next Serena Williams. I don't know, you know, but she's very talented. I just know, you know, Daddy loves you, boo.
Pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up.
Got them videos up, boy.
Get up, get up, pull your bitch, cause I'm way too saucy.
Florida, man, it's a tourist environment. You know, everybody comes here, everybody stops. People spend their whole life just to go to Disney World. You know, they'll save their whole check the whole year. You feel me? So this, you know, this spot out here, I say that to say this: everybody that's coming in that you meet, you don't know who the fuck they are. They just might be the plug. You know, out here, man, for real, it's every street you might meet somebody that's got it going on. So that's why I chose Florida. I'm gonna text, but then it's McGriff skate park. Yeah, my shit fucked. I gotta
You with me?
Do you mind? I was gonna ask.
Yeah, sure. Let me go get my Gucci belt.
Yeah, go get that.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
Yeah, pull up, hey, McGriff skate park, bro.
Damn, bro, that was sick.
Nah, I'm not currently signed. As far as being signed, I look at being signed as who's guiding your career. Artists like Rocco, I would love if an opportunity to work with Rocco. Trim Life, what's his name? Sway Lee. What's his name? Sway Lee and Slim Jimmy. You know those guys, man. So, I'm not really looking for anything, man. Like I said, I do this music for my people to see that even when I'm gone, you know what I'm saying? Like they'll be able to pull me up, push play, hear me, see me. You know, that's why I do this, man. It's about being a legend, man, and leaving that legacy. That's what I'm looking for.
Guess who just bought me a Glock? Yeah. Guess who just bought me a Glock? Yeah. Guess who just bought me a Glock? I cannot wait to go pop. Hey, yeah. Guess who just bought me a Glock? Yeah. Guess who just bought me a Glock? Yeah. Guess who just bought me a Glock? I cannot wait to go pop. I cannot wait to go pop. I cannot wait till I sit alone at the top. Nah, me and Zay came in this thing together, so we gon' leave out this bitch with a rain together. Championship shit, nigga. Yeah, no LeBron Curry status though. Out in Oakland like Marshawn though. Out in Oakland like Marshawn though. Nah, know me, call me Romo. Point guard like I'm Rondo. Just give and go. It's a give and go. It's an easy scope. I know for sure. When the pad touchdown, watch the nigga get busy. Watch the nigga get busy. When the pad touchdown, watch the nigga get busy. Watch the nigga get busy.
This fall, man. Hey, like I said, JS2, Juanito Story 2. That's definitely gonna be here this fall. Part 2 of
Let me manual behind you.
huh?
Let me manual.
Come on, get it, let's get it. Got my man Mingo coming, you feel me? Young Mingo.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we out here, man. You feel me? He up next too. He really up next, man. But yeah, that's dope shit. But yeah, man, just look out for that, man. A lot of short films, a lot of movies, man. Like I'm really into that. I write everything, you know. It's more than just rap. You know, I'm a writer, man. I see things, you know what I'm saying? Constantly,
3, 2,
every
1
day working.
shit, you already know.
My boy Mingo,
Shout out,
you
bro.
feel me? Yeah, man, that's what's going on, man. Hey, like I said, man, shout out to my boy goddamn Raleigh Field.
Every day coolin', tryna get it, stacking to the ceiling, man, avoiding penitentiary. Gotta take them though, double cup full is in his mind. Keep on racing, I got $1 million thoughts all the time. I heard she got it, so we gon' see about it. Damn, I heard she got it, so we gon' see about it. Yeah, it's all the bands, I'm trapping out with it. Damn, can't change, sir, she got it, got it.
You already know. I been kicking it with Boy Riley. Kicking shit. Politicking. I already know. About the whole Carolina movie. Carolina shit, nigga. Carolina. This ain't on the way. We just dropping that sauce, man.